Here with Sean about his 1932 Chrysler Cp8. Sean, tell me a little bit about what's special about your vehicle.
Well, Chrysler was kind of innovative. They were the first ones to actually mass produce hydraulic brakes. This particular model was a great touring vehicle. It had adjustable shocks, hydraulic brakes, which made it safe for the family and was really comfortable for long tours, long hauls.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what's powering this under the hood?
This is actually a straight 8 engine. It's just under 300 cubic inches. It's about 100 horsepower. And when it idles, it's so smooth you can't even hear it. It's really awesome.
Great. Have you done any work on the interior of the car?
No, actually, the interior of the car is all original. They did receive a repaint back in the late 70s. But other than that, just been enjoying it, driving it. If you can't drive them, why own them, right?
Beautiful. And what's the backstory on this vehicle?
Well, this particular Chrysler, actually it was even owned by Glenn Prey, who Glenn Prey actually bought all the rights to Auburn Court and Duesenberg. And this was one of his private cars. My dad happened to be friends with him. So when my dad saw this, he had to have it and he bought it from Glenn.
Sean, tell me what it is about the automobile culture that you think appeals to such a wide audience.
Well, to me, I think it's because it's like rolling art. It's just beautiful. You look at a Delahaye, for example, and its swooping lines that the French did. It's just rolling art. It's just beautiful. All the chrome, the colors.